Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Girly Girl 101, and me and Isla, Isla is gonna be rating my slime, this is part one, but yeah, this is part one.
Can I play with the slime?
There's this.
Can I play with the slime?
And I hate it.
Can I play with the slime? Can I play with the slime?
Hold on, sorry.
There's an ant.
Oh my god, okay, there's ant. And I hate
Okay,
it.
can I play with the slime?
Okay, so the first slime is this slime, so yeah.
First. Seriously, this is gonna take forever. I think that's enough. So stuck, guys.
Okay. It's up to you because maybe it's sticky to you. But okay. So,
Slime on my hand. It's the end of the world.
okay, Isla, I think
I'm gonna wipe it
that
off.
you should wash your hands.
Yeah, I should.
Well, okay. I can't believe that really sticks to Isla so much. Okay. Well then, I'm just gonna. Homemade Orpheus, if I these. Homemade Orpheus, I made it clear. I'm just singing while I get this off.
Can I play with the slime?
Wait. Hold on. I did not know that.
Bubble slime.
I did not know that the mermaid slime was that big of a deal, but okay. Okay. Squish it in front of the camera. So. Okay. Oh, Isla, what do you give it out of this? A 10 out of 10? What do you give it? Okay. Isla, first, what do you give this slime?
7 out of 10.
Okay, she gave this mermaid slime a 7 out of 10. And right now, she's squishing this really foamy.
On my channel,
Isla, it's your fault that you're foaming all the beads out. It's your fault.
Yeah, it is. And guys, I might do that same thing on my channel because I have slime too. Right, Gigi has slime too.
Yeah.
So we might be doing that on my channel too. This is how cool.
We don't share the slime.
Look at
We
these
used to, but now we're not sharing it because.
I don't know why.
But
We
it's
just
just
wanted
because
to.
we just want our own slime. That's why. Okay. And we both have I like white glue. I like clear glue.
I like clear glue. What are you talking about?
No, you like clear glue as well, but you have a white glue and I have a clear glue.
Oh yeah. Because I don't know. Can we go on the next slime? But first I have to rate this slime.
Okay.
This is slime.
Okay, what do you rate this slime?
9 out of 10 because it looks amazing.
She rates this slime a 9 out of 10. Okay, now she's just squishing
The beach slime.
No, it's called pool slime.
Yeah.
So she rated this a 7 out of 10, and she rated. What do you rate? What do you rate the marine slime again?
Wait, that slime?
Yeah.
4 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. She rates this one out of 7 out of 10. Okay, what do you rate this?
Actually, I get that an 8 out of 10.
Okay, she rated this one an 8 out of 10.
No, actually a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Even though it's so
Okay,
sticky.
she raised.
Just because I love mermaids.
She raised this one a 9 out of 10, and she this one a 7 out of 10.
Ooh.
And what's that one? Do you think?
This one is pool slime, and I don't know what I rate it. Actually, I rate it. Hey, give me.
Oh, can I have some?
Okay.
Okay.
I rate that slime a 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10.
Because it's really good and it's not sticky and it's really moisturizing. It's really moisturizing.
with you? I don't know.
I know I had it so. Now I know I'm putting shaving cream in this.
Okay,
Today.
I'm going to point this slime. It's not sticky at all.
Half of my heart is in Novena. Okay, guys. So she rates this one a 10 out of 10.
No, I said a 9 out of 10.
She rates this one a 9 out of 10. Surprisingly.
Is that bad?
Stop. Stop, wait. It's your fault. Whatever.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.